Wait. He's... Guys, wait, no. Guys, this is... Hey guys, this is Life of Noah and Life of Seth. Ah! I thought something... This is Life of Noah
On the pack.
and Life of Seth. So if you remember...
This is part 2.
This is part 3. We had a part 2 last time. You watched it where Ash and me were over here. This was like 3 days ago. We're doing it at the exact same time, 3 p.m.
No, this is part 4. I did part 2.
I know, we did part 2. And then last time was a part 2. This time's a part 3.
Oh, yeah.
So, yes, last time was 3 p.m., which is opposite of something else. So I was here with Ash, and then all of a sudden the bushes started wrestling. I saw something moving. I'm not kidding. Okay? And now here comes the flying dirt man again.
Guys, let's check out more. There might be clues.
Wait a second. I remember last time yesterday. Wait. Okay. Yesterday, I saw there was... Seth, you threw that. I saw your hand.
I know, I like throwing dirt.
Dunk, dunk, dunk. I'm not doing it.
So, my friend's on the baseball team.
Baseball team? You're on a baseball team?
No, throwing thing. She made up and we do it some
You're in gymnastics.
I'm in gymnastics. So she wanted me to practice my throwing. I accidentally threw that.
Oh yeah, I saw the throwing ring thing you did at that.
We have rings.
Yeah, he's in a tournament. It was amazing.
Remember I won.
Anyway, so yeah. Guys, this is creepy. So, if you remember last time, I was right here. Wow.
Not yet.
That is scary. Seth, Ash is laying in the exact same spot as last time 3 days ago. Guys, this is his video. I shouldn't be pointing it on me so much, okay?
Guys, we got potato.
What do you present? Okay, so, Seth, hold What was that? That was you. Wait, was that you? Wait, GoPro just went black. Guys. It's okay. It's okay. It's probably just farting problems. Ah! Seth, you can't sharpen so much.
I didn't mean to. Something touched me.
No, I'm not kidding, guys. I was here, and Seth,
You hold the GoPro.
Seth, did you put your hand behind your back and pinch me? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Guys, we're in the fort.
Fort Hillcrest, here we come.
I heard ghosts. I saw ghosts. Yeah.
Hurry, close the door. Okay, guys.
We're safe.
Guys. Noah. Guys, listen.
Help.
Did you hear those? Did you? We gotta get. Run! This is Life of Seth signing off. Bye.